fence panels that people threw away and gave away for free. So I wanted to show you what we've been doing with them. So we're going to load them onto the truck since we brought them here. Those are all the posts from the privacy fence. And we're going to turn them into something that makes Christina smile. So, see you in a bit.
This is all the fence paneling loaded up. We had a helper loaded up with us. So, I'll continue back later.
Now we have the first panel where we want the front of the house or the coop to be. And I'm going to slide it back a little bit, but in the meantime, because I got to have a porch on it. But in the meantime, if you want to do something while you're waiting and you don't want the panel to fall over, you have to lift it up again. Use a board to prop it up against that. There you go. Point, but you can use 3-inch screws.
Let it work here.
And where the 2x4s meet is where you put them together. Just missed.
Can you hold that?
No. I had to do this without you.
That's true. But it's so much easier when you got a helper.
It is.
So do we need to move it?
Got the two 2x together, but if you don't have them where they're together, what you do is you put a scrap 2x on the other side. See how they're not really lining up good there? So what you would do, this is kind of short, but it will work. You have to put a piece right there and then tie it. I'll have other panels that we can take off to replace this section that's nothing there.
Did you find me, Flash?
So that 2x is held by screws over here. So I'll add another 2x right there to tie these corners together, and then we'll put wood over this to make it look better from another panel. But that's the beginning. We're going to run out of daylight. We got to move other panels, and I'll show you what I do from there.
This is an update. We lost light last night, so he kept going. We've got all these. We brought that one over. And he brought, these aren't attached, but he brought them. He's gonna have to go pick up some more fencing because we're missing one panel to complete it. So before we can do these houses, we'll have to pick up more free fencing and then probably buy another 100 feet of wire.